Okay.
And we are very much focused on using research to strengthen achievement of our bottom-up economic transformation agenda, which, as you know, addresses the grassroots, the common man. So as a research community, we want to undertake research that will address issues that confront our people in their daily lives, that will improve service delivery, and also help us to produce technologies that make life easier and more affordable for them. So far we have committed 2% of our budget to research, but to date we have managed about 0.8%. As a government, we mobilize resources not only from the exchequer, but also from our funding partners. So this 0.8% consists of what we put together as government and from our partners. Research has been undertaken, then it has to go through the process of incubation and commercialization. So far we've had very interesting innovations coming out of universities. I will just quote, for example, a project at Kabianga University whereby one of the researchers has discovered a natural enzyme that dehydrates skin. And the product is also used as animal feed. So it has many benefits in terms of even helping with dealing with environmental pollution because there are no pollutants. So these are some of the projects that when they come up, we then incubate them for commercialization. And so far we are looking for an investor who can then come in and upscale that project. As a Ministry of Education, we've brought together stakeholders from 53 research institutions, and we are collaborating with the African Population and Health Research Consortium, APHRC, to host this forum. The aim really is to develop a framework which will strengthen the research ecosystem.
Supported 19 research institutions and universities to the tune of 1 billion in terms of infrastructural grants. And these infrastructure grants go towards buying equipment to support research in our institutions.